The WordPress page hierarchy system allows you to structure your pages in a more organized way. Say, for instance, on your website, you want to list all your individual services. You could do that in a way like so. In this situation, services would be your parent page, and then you'd list your services. In this case, I'm using web development, SEO, and Google AdWords as the services, as the child pages. Then you could also do the same with About Us as well. So you might have About Us as a parent page, and then the children page would be History, Our Mission, and Why Choose Us. Now this is optional. You don't have to do it this way. It's really, there are some benefits to doing it this way. There can be some SEO benefits to structure your data in this highly organized way. And it sort of helps the user know where they are as well, simply based on the URL. This sort of structure can also filter into things like breadcrumbs, the URL structure, and navigations as well. So it can be great to do this at the start of a project before going ahead and building and designing. So I'll just quickly show you how this all works. So say, for instance, I've got my service 01 here and my service 02, and this would be my parent page. So I can actually do it just quickly from this screen, or I could do it from the individual screen. I'll do it from this screen on this one. So if I just go up to here and parent, and I select services as being the parent, I can update that. And then on this one, I'll do it from the individual screen. I'm running Gutenberg here. So if I go down to the page attributes, I'll see the parent hierarchy system here. And I'll just update that. Now when I view this page, look at the URL structure. So isn't that nice? That's nice and organized there. So I've also just added some breadcrumbs in here, just for anyone that doesn't really know what breadcrumbs are or how they work. So you can see these breadcrumbs that I've just thrown in. I've just used a plugin for the breadcrumbs, and you can see the page that I'm on here, services, my services 01. You can see the breadcrumb trail now reflecting this as well. So this is the current page I'm on, and if I wanted to go back to the parent page, there we are there. And this is automatically going to update now based on my URL structure. So if I went back to the other one here, you'll see that this is automatically picking up the current page that I'm on, and then it's automatically picking up the parent as well. And that's actually the home page there.